Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to create a new single-player world in Palworld. Let's begin by clicking Start Game, then hit Create New World. You can set the world name. Let's say I want to name it Test for the sake of the demonstration. Confirm. As you can see, the world name is set. Here, remember to disable multiplayer because we are creating the single player world. You can change the difficulty right here between casual, normal, hard, hardcore and custom. As you can see in this text box, the difficulties are explained in detail, so you know what to do. And if you wish to customize the difficulty, you can go to custom. You can change things like time speed for day and night, the time between autosaves, XP rate, capture rate, appearance rate, damage multipliers, hunger, depletion and reduction, health regeneration for pals, sleep health regeneration for pals, damage from player, damage to player, player hunger depletion, player stamina reduction, player auto health regeneration and player sleep health regeneration. There is work speed multiplier, damage to structure multiplier, structure deterioration rate, grazing item production rate multiplier, maximum number of dropped items in a world, maximum number of dropped active items in a world, and honestly many other things that you can customize. Once you are done customizing them, or you simply chose to pick either casual, normal, hard or hardcore, you can simply select OK. Then select Yes. Wait for the game to finish loading the world. Now you will be taken to character creation screen. Let me name myself HardReset.Info. You can click on presets to choose one of the already made characters. This works. Yep. Let me just... Yes. This works. Let me be on brand and go with green. Eyes and face, although yeah, there is not much I can change right here. I guess this works. I'll do the same for hair because it honestly looks stupid. That's why I like it. As you can see, of course, you can customize them. You can change the hair style to whichever one you like. You can change the hair color, eye color, beard and mustache color. You can change color manually, pick it like this. You can select color, saturation and brightness. This looks silly, so yeah. You can pick between 6 available voices. I will stick with this one. And yeah, I think that's about it when it comes to character creation. Yes, face type, eye type, body type, skin color, physics settings, presets. I explained hairstyles, hair color and voice. Yep, that's about it. During character creation you can also play the voice, randomize it the character completely, and switch equipment display on or off. I can also, as you can see, randomize the character. And as you can see, yeah, basically everything is possible. Yep. I will go with a default character. And simply, when you are done customizing your character, hit Start Game. Wait for the game to load. I'll skip the opening cutscene, and as you can see, I can already start playing the game. And I think that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.